So a 360 booth platform consists of a platform with a spinning arm that rotates and does a full 360. Now this platform is gonna hold up to 4 adults and everyone stands back to back right here in the center. Now if you guys follow me this way, as you guys can see, we have a prop table. Now the prop table is a whole lot of fun and I'll show you why. We have chains, we have glasses, we have wearables and hats and signs you can hold up. This is exactly what you guys can expect if you book with us at Canary Capital Rentals. We also like to bring extra lights to create that atmosphere effect. Right up here, we have even more lighting so that when you are on our booth, you come out looking like a superstar. Check this out. If you guys take a quick look right in here, I'm gonna go ahead and show you what the aftermath looks like. So this is after the editing right here. People are able to get their video on the spot. And I'll go ahead and show you how that looks like. We use a Snappic software that allows us to export the footage at 60 frames per second, okay? So if you guys have any questions, please message us, call us, or email us.
Boy, everybody told me you could be whatever you wanna be.